Welcome to this tutorial on creating organizations in Xapi. Today, we'll explore the importance of creating different organizations under the same user account and walk you through the organization creation flow. In Xapi, multi-tenancy is a key feature. By creating multiple organizations under the same user account, you can manage different projects, teams, or clients efficiently. So each organization can have its own settings, members, and API configurations, providing you with a flexible and scalable environment. So let's dive into the organization creation process.
So let's navigate to the Xapi platform using the xapihub.io URL. So here you can see in our microsite you can get to know about lots of information about API domain from here. So to sign up to the platform, you have to click on this Start Xapi for Free button. So from here you need to fill this registration form. So once you successfully fill this registration form, then you have to respond to the confirmation email which will receive to your given email address. Then you can sign into your account. So I already have an account, because of that I am going to sign in to my Xapi platform account. So once we sign in to the platform, then at first we will direct to the default organization. So this is the dashboard of our default organization. So using this default organization, we cannot collaborate with others and we cannot create projects. Likewise, this default organization provide us set of limited features. So we can create a limited number of APIs and models, cannot create projects, cannot collaborate with others, but still you can utilize this default organization for your personal works. So yeah, then to have a look on the premium features, you have to move to the premium subscription tier, one of the premium subscription tier. So here you can see our basic, standard, professional and enterprise tiers are there. So before subscribe to this kind of organization, if you're willing to have a look on our premium features, so freely you can observe our premium features by enabling free trial organization. So here you can see, using this create button, once you choose this organization option, then you have to select this Start Xapi for free. Then here you can see with free trial organizations also, you can facilitate all the premium features of the Xapi platform. So once you click on the Start Free Trial button, then you can fill this form to provide the details of your free trial organization. So the most important thing in this Xapi platform is you don't need to provide credit card details to enable your free trial organization. So let's fill the sum of information which we need to create our organization. So here you can see I'm going to create this organization as a public organization. That means all the organizational artifacts, I mean the APIs which are created inside of this organization, will be visible for all the platform users. If I need to make my organization as private, I can use this toggle to make my organization as private. So using this invite tab, I can add members to my organization. So here you can see I can invite other people to collaborate with my organization as members, admin or consumer. So here I can add avatar to my organization, and then I can successfully create my free trial organization. So now I am navigated to the free trial organization dashboard. So this is the Astrobank organization dashboard. So once I create premium organization, So this has all the premium features, and now I can create new projects, and when creating projects I can enable catalogs for those projects and Kanban board for those projects. Likewise, I can utilize all the premium features here. So I'll showcase you how can create a project inside of the premium organization. Here, as the project name, let's create project for the open APIs. I'm enabling the catalog for that project, and I'm enabling the Kanban board for that project. When creating projects also, I can add avatar. If I have members in my organization, I can invite them as the project members as well. So once I fill all details, I can check whether those information are correct. Then here you can see this is my new project. For this project, I have separate Kanban board and separate API catalog. Likewise, I can utilize all the premium features of the Xapi platform by creating free trial organization. The other important thing is this free trial organization is valid. It's valid only for 30 days. So once this 30 days get completed, then you have to upgrade your free trial organization to any of the premium tier organization. Or if you need to explore further about these premium features, you can send a sales request to the Xapi platform team to requesting to extend your free trial duration. So hope you got good understanding about the multi-tenancy feature of Xapi, and also the organization creation flow of the Xapi, and the free trial enabling process of the Xapi platform.
So thanks for watching this video tutorial, and make your API designing and governance easy with Xapi. Try it out today and unlock the full potential of multi-tenancy. Thank you.